Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Iqmal bin Anwar. I'm from section 3. So today I would like to talk about computer-based training, and the company that I choose is Verint. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned. Okay, computer-based training. So the company that I choose is Verint. We start with background of company. Type of company is public, industry, software, business intelligence, speech analytics, business consulting, IT consulting. It's founded in 2002, headquarters in Melville, New York. So revenue and total asset is quite huge, 1.125 billion for revenue, 2.58 billion for total asset in 2018. The website is verint.com. Okay, products of Verint. There are many products of Verint. So basically, this company produce CCTV, security alarm. So if you can see, they produce IP and DOM cameras, secure wireless video solution, managing alarms, and IPTZ cameras. So they also produce video solution for public transport. So video solution for public transport ni macam kita punya monitor panel dekat public lah. Okay, we go to the next slide. What is CBT? So usually CBT also known as computer based learning or computer based instruction. So CBT is an interactive instructor left educational. So uses of CBT which the company program is, first one is e-learning for employees. So e-learning for employees focus on employees that use and they know for many organization, buildings and keeping employees skills sharp can be continual challenge. So Verint e-learning sebagai contoh kat Verint ni diorang provide satu software dekat setiap desktop employees mereka. So pekerja dekat Verint ni diorang boleh tengok diorang punya polisi company atau ada penggubalan regulation ke, mereka boleh check terus melalui Verint ini. So company Verint ini dia menyediakan satu software dekat setiap desktop pekerja-pekerja mereka. Okay, we start for online learning for users of client. They offer broad range of technical proficiency and certification programs. So maksudnya untuk online learning for users of clients juga, mereka dapat menyediakan certification kepada clients dan dia punya pekerja. So net users is CBT can use for virtual classroom. So virtual classroom basically is a distant learning taught live over the web using interactive web and audio conferencing tools. So dia adalah satu pembelajaran jarak jauh Jadi pelatih boleh mengajar mereka punya clients, mereka punya pekerja secara live tanpa bertemu di berdepan-depan. Okey, ini adalah kalau tengok di belah kanan, ini adalah salah satu contoh virtual classroom yang mereka gunakan. Nama virtual classroom mereka ini adalah Verint IP Video Solution. So di sini kalau kita lihat company Verint ini menyediakan virtual classroom kepada mereka punya pekerja dan klien mereka masing-masing. So anda boleh lihatlah di sebelah kanan ini. And next slide is Verint support e-learning. So support from Verint trainers is provided with the e-learning curriculum. So trainers are available to guide and assist as required. Progresses in access to lab solution reviews and Q&A session at specific point in the training. For the next advantage is cost efficiency. As we know, if we use computer-based training, we can cut off expenses compared to the traditional training. Next one is flexible. So we can use computer-based training anywhere, anytime. We can use computer-based training at phones, laptop, at our home. So it's very flexible. We can do our training session anywhere. And then is improve job performance. Next one is mobility, and then no travel, because when we using the CBT, we no need to go further because we can use CBT in our house and our company, so that we no need to go more far. And last but not least is tailored to you. So computer based training can give advantage for us. It can help us to understand more about the training. We go to the disadvantage of computer based training. For the first one is less effective at low coverage area. So computer based training always basically used by internet, so it give disadvantage for those who live at low coverage area. So it give difficult for those who want to use CBT because in low coverage area there is no internet. And second one is they will feel isolated because when we do computer based training, sometimes at home or in our room, we feel so lonely because there is no eye contact with other people. So it can give our feel isolated. And then we go to the third disadvantage of CBT. The third one is instructor not always available because when we using CBT, there is no other people, and if we want to ask instructor or call instructor, sometimes there's instructor not free. And then we go to the next point is difficult for certain people because not everyone can use IT technology, especially for those who live in outside the city or person or old people. And we go to the blending CBT with other training. So it deliver learning experience that offers the most word conceivable. We can see that University of Tennis investigations demonstrated that a mixed learning program diminish both the time and the expense of preparing by in excess of 50%. Maksudnya kalau kita gabungkan computer based training ni dengan other method, dia akan menjimatkan masa dan menjimatkan pengeluaran untuk kita menyediakan sesuatu program training. Example of training blending of CBT that we can use is number one, use CBT on Q&A session, and number two is use PowerPoint when we learn the learning program, when we do learning program. Okay, we go to the next slide. The type of CBT, number one is program instruction. So program instruction is refer method showing new subject matters to trainers in graded sequence of control step. So untuk program instruction ni memberitahu kepada kita apa tu situasi setiap pekerja. So management untuk Verint ni, diorang ada sediakan satu pautan di mana mereka, pihak management boleh melihat sejauh mana dia punya pekerja, dia punya performance pekerja lah. So kalau tengok ke sini, mereka boleh tengok pekerja tersebut punya average handle time, average quality score, resolution rate and callback. So another type of CBT is intelligent tutoring system. This method can be classified replaces a human tutor by a machine or computer. So kalau kita nak handle training, kita boleh tukarkan kepada orang ataupun pelatih kepada mesin ataupun komputer. So, kalau kita melihat ini contoh gambar. So seorang budak ini dia belajar ataupun dia train melalui komputer saja. Okeylah, kita pergi kepada interactive media. So interactive media is referred as training develops out of the need to share data and information on the examination and practices of utilizing sight and sound in different instructive setting. So kita kalau nak bagi training, kita boleh gunakan pelbagai media lah. Sebagai contoh Facebook, kita boleh guna media YouTube untuk kita bagi train ke orang. Okay, last but not least, virtual reality. So VR is a computer interfaces which attempts to impersonate J9 world past the level screen to give a vivid 3D or three dimensions visual encounters. So VR ni macam satu gadget lah dia guna pakai waktu zaman sekarang. Dia memberikan satu situasi yang sebenar kepada kita punya audience atau klien. So dia dapat membantu pelatih untuk memberi latihan kepada klien mereka masing-masing. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoy this video. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.